What's going on, everybody? David here. Today we're talking travel, and I've been looking. I'm going to be going to Kauai next year, and I'm starting to look at some of the different rates and point values. So just wanted to show you what I came up with. So I'd be coming from Los Angeles, so this is LAX, and then be flying to Lihue, which is in Kauai. And the date that I put on here is April 5th. So I'll be flying out April 5th and returning on April 12th. These are just made up at this point, and I always do this just to kind of find out what the rates are going for, and then I'm planning probably to go in June sometime. So that might change as far as the points and the taxes and fuel, but basically I can kind of get an idea. So let me just show you what I came up with here. So I'm searching for an award ticket because I'll be using points plus paying taxes and fees. I always say taxes and fuel. I don't know why, but taxes and fees is what it is. Hit the search here. Okay, so the first thing that I look at is this top bar here, and I see on the Friday that I want to leave 45,000 points. That's what we're looking at for an economy ticket. That's a little steep. So as I've said in previous videos, you always want to be as flexible as possible. So if I leave the day before, I can do it for 22.5, so 22,500 points. So that's a significant difference. So let's go ahead and change that to Thursday. Okay, so I've changed it to Thursday, and now we see a couple of flights here that are 22,500. So those are the ones that I'd most likely be looking at. And you see there are a lot of them at 45,000 here. So that's not what I'm looking for. So let's go back up to the top here. And we have an 8:30 a.m. or a 4 p.m. So considering I would probably want to spend the whole day there, I might as well, if I'm leaving on a Thursday, I might as well spend the whole day there. This one you're getting in later in the evening. This one you're getting in the morning. This is a better setup because I can check into the hotel and all that. So go ahead and select that. Okay, so here are my return flights. Now, if I want to return on the 12th, which is initially when I wanted to return, I can go ahead and do that. It's set for the 11th here, so let's move to the 12th here because I can still get it for 22,000. Okay, so return flight, I can leave at 10 a.m. and get back into Los Angeles at 8:39, and I'm flying on Hawaiian Airlines. So Hawaiian Airlines is a partner of United. Okay, so this is what we're looking at here. 45,000 miles or 45,000 points is what it would cost me. $11.20. So 45,000 points plus $11.20 can get me to Hawaii and back on economy flight. And I'd be flying United up, and I'd be returning. It looks like there's a connection there, so I'd be returning. Hawaiian Airlines is my first connection. This is a very small plane here, and then the 757. United Airline flight. So all in all, good deal. I mean, 45,000 points, you can't beat that. And $11.20. And if you have a Chase Sapphire Preferred, which I highly recommend you consider getting, or United Explorer card, you're going to get at least 50,000 points. You'll have plenty of points to fly a round trip ticket to Hawaii and back. All right, if you guys have any questions, please post them below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.